So guys, it's now important to connect your external wallet with your Sidra account rather. And to do that, you have to use any of your Web3 wallets, either MetaMask, OKX, safepal, or any other wallet that you're comfortable with. If you try using one particular wallet and it's not working, but you want to use that same address, like the wallet address, you can import that wallet to another Web3 wallet, then connect using Sidra. Take for instance, some people were saying they are having issues with connecting MetaMask with Sidra. So if you insist on using the MetaMask wallet, just copy the face key of that MetaMask wallet and use wallets like safepal or OKX wallet. Import that face key to to OKX or safepal and try connecting. So if you are not using a web view like myself, you can you make use of the what's it called, the discover button, like the dab browser of your Web3 wallet, either safepal, Bitget wallet, OKX, whichever. So just import your wallet. If you want to use a particular wallet address, import that wallet to the wallet to another wallet that will be working. Then you can connect from your tab browser. But if you are using a mobile view like this, it's very straightforward also. It's still the same process. And also some people were saying they are having issues with claiming, because the claiming page is bringing half screen. So if you're having issues with claiming because of the that claiming circle where you have to set your face to complete facial verification, that claiming circle is showing half instead of the full screen, then you can correct the you can fix it using this by following what I'm going to explain now. Go to your Chrome browser, click on these three dots you're seeing on the Chrome browser. But if you are using a mobile device, you first of all need to visit you go through accessibility on the Chrome browser. Let me use another a new page. When you are using a Chrome browser, yeah, so this is it. Then you click on these three dots. If you are not seeing this zoom on your Chrome, depending on the latest version of Chrome that you are using, or depending on the device you are using. So if you are not seeing this zoom straight up, you can see my home zoom is on 100%. So if your mobile devices or your PC is not showing zoom like this, then you can first of all click on accessibility. On mobile device, you see accessibility. Then click on that accessibility and click on zoom. Then put it on 50%. Then go back to that Sidra page and try again to see if that page will be showing that circle in full instead of that half circle. I'm talking about the page where you claim tokens every 24 hours. When you click on that claim page and the page is showing half circle instead of the full circle, then go to your Chrome browser, click on these three dots, click on accessibility, put the zoom to 50%, and you are good. Try back and see if it works for you. That's what is working. So now we can go back to this Sidra wallet connection. You can see connect your personal wallet. Sidra has upgraded every user to a personal self-custodian wallet. This is a one-time setup and it takes 2 minutes. So when I was trying to log into this Sidra, the email login was not working. They were not sending email. So the option I used to sign in, I'm trying to give you all the troubleshooting options so that when you are doing yours, it will be seamless. I try using the email and password option and use my Google Authenticator code to complete the sign-in. So I didn't go choosing the Gmail login, or what's it called, the Google login, or just email login. There is option for Google login where you have to select your email. Then there is option for which one, the email one-time password, one-time code. They are not sending code. Depending on when you be trying though, they might eventually send you code when you are trying yours, but for mine they were not sending code. So I had to use the option for email and password, then with my Google Authenticator. So if you have not connected your Google Authenticator with this, then you might not be able to use that prompt. So I'm just trying to plug in to the one that is working. So I'll just click on this one, connect MetaMask wallet or any other browser wallet to keep in control. So you see MetaMask detected by default. I'm using MetaMask on this wallet, and I'll just click on connect wallet. You see OKX MetaMask, still the same wallet I'm using for this bot. So it's very easy using a mobile view like this, a mobile view. And if the dApp wallet is not working, if you try Biget, you try SafePal, you try OKS, you try MetaMask and it's not working, then use the next option is to use a wallet extension. And I mean wallet and extension, I'm talking about Brave Wallet. Use a wallet extension and import your MetaMask or any other wallet to that wallet extension. Wallet extension is like using a browser wallet on a mobile device instead of if you don't have a PC. If you don't have a PC and you've tried using MetaMask, you've tried using OKX, you've tried using SafePal, you've tried using Biget, and it's not connecting, then use a wallet extension. Go to Play Store or App Store, download Brave Wallet. I don't think Mrs. Wallet is still working, but I know about Brave Wallet. You can download Brave Wallet or Kiwi browser. Sorry, Brave browser or Kiwi browser. All these browsers are wallet extension where you can import your Web3 wallet to that wallet browser. So when you download the Brave browser or Kiwi browser, then import any of your Web3 wallets there. It's like using a PC but on a mobile settings. For those that are still new, this is for the beginners. So it's like using a PC on a mobile setting. If you've tried all these app wallets and you're unable to connect because you know Sidra is very funny somehow, so you just use a mobile wallet. You can see it is one click and I've just connected. Your external wallet has been successfully linked to your account, and that's it. So if you've tried using your wallet app and none of them is connecting, then get a wallet browser, which is Brave browser, Kiwi browser. Import your Web3 wallet to that browser, and you can connect. So using any of those wallet browser is like using a PC on a mobile device, like using a PC on a mobile device. So that's how it works. So you can try any of that. Once you import your Web3 wallet, just click on the home page and enter SidraChain.com. That's the link, SidraChain.com. I'll be dropping it in the description box of this video and in the pin post in the comment section. Go to SidraChain.com and enter the and proceed to just log in, then connect the wallet. So by all means, wallet extension browser will definitely work. Either Kiwi or Brave Wallet, any of this will definitely work. So if you've tried any of the mobile wallet and it's not working, use a wallet extension if you don't have a PC. But if you have a PC, then your work is very smooth. Your work is smoother, just like I just did in this video. So that's how it works. So you can use mobile app wallet, you can use wallet extension, or use a PC to connect. It's as simple as that. And I've also mentioned that while logging in, if the Gmail option or the mail option is not working, just use the email and password option where you have to input your Google Authenticator as code to complete the sign-in option. So that's how to connect your wallet on SidraChain.com. So this is the current update on Sidra mining. Await subsequent updates. Make sure you are subscribed to this channel. Like and share this video. Also join my Telegram community for daily updates so you don't miss out on my subsequent updates. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell. See you guys on the next one, and bye for now.